Welcome to Golden Harmony, your trusted space for living well, joyfully, and with confidence after 60. Let's dive into today's topic.
Celebrating birthdays or holidays can feel a bit different when family is far away. However, there are many creative ways to keep the joy alive and stay connected with loved ones. Celebrating is important for our well-being, lifting our spirits, and making us feel cherished. Let's explore how technology can help us bridge the distance and keep those special moments meaningful. Video calls have become a lifeline for staying in touch with family members who live far away. Platforms like Zoom and Skype make it easy to connect face-to-face. Scheduling these calls in advance ensures everyone can join in, and you can even include fun activities like games or storytelling. Sharing laughter and stories makes the distance feel smaller. Why not host a virtual birthday party? You can plan a fun theme and encourage everyone to dress up. Including games and quizzes keeps things lively, and you might even share a virtual meal together by cooking the same dish. These activities create a festive atmosphere, making everyone feel included despite the miles apart. Sending a care package is a thoughtful way to show your love from afar. You can personalize it with gifts that bring joy, like handwritten notes or letters, favorite snacks, and cherished family photos or mementos. These packages can brighten someone's day and make them feel special, even if you can't be there in person. If sending physical gifts isn't feasible, digital options can be just as meaningful. Consider sending digital gift cards, online subscriptions, or even virtual experiences like cooking classes. Personalizing these gifts with a kind message lets your family know you're thinking of them, making the gesture even more heartfelt. Participating in online group activities can be a fun way to celebrate together. You might join a cooking or art class, explore virtual museum tours, or play games as a family. Sharing creative projects online, like a family photo album, can be a wonderful way to bond and celebrate, even when you're not physically together. Creating a memory book is a beautiful way to cherish past celebrations. Compile photos and stories from previous birthdays or holidays, and invite family members to contribute their memories and messages. Online tools make it easy to collaborate, ensuring everyone can add their touch to this special keepsake, creating a lasting bond. When family is spread across different time zones, coordinating celebrations can be tricky. It's important to be mindful of these differences and use online tools to plan effectively. Scheduling times that work for everyone ensures no one misses out, and sometimes celebrating a day early or late can be just as special. Family traditions are a wonderful way to feel connected during celebrations. Incorporate these cherished customs by sharing traditional recipes or engaging in cultural activities together online. Keeping these traditions alive, even virtually, adds a sense of continuity and belonging, reminding everyone of the family ties that bind them. A virtual toast is a simple yet meaningful way to celebrate. Raise a glass together online and share heartfelt messages, ensuring everyone feels included in the moment. Taking photos or screenshots captures these special times, providing a lasting memory of the celebration and bringing everyone closer together, even through a screen. Music has a unique way of bringing people together. Creating a collaborative playlist filled with favorite family songs can enhance your celebration. Listen to it together during video calls, and don't hesitate to have a virtual dance or sing-along. These shared musical moments can spark joy and create a festive atmosphere. Social media can be a wonderful platform for celebrating with family. Share special moments and photos in family group chats or post highlights of the celebration online. Engaging with comments from loved ones can make you feel part of the family festivities, even if you're miles apart, keeping everyone connected. Cooking together, even virtually, can be a nourishing experience. Share family recipes and cook the same meal while on a video call. Enjoy a virtual dinner party and discuss cooking tips and family stories. It's a wonderful way to bond and create a shared experience, making everyone feel a little closer. Decorating can be a fun way to celebrate, and you can do it together, even from afar. Share decoration ideas online and create themed backgrounds for your video calls. Involve everyone in the process and showcase your decorations during your virtual gatherings. It's a great way to share the festive spirit and enhance the celebration. Storytelling is a beautiful tradition that can be shared virtually. Invite family members to share cherished stories and legends involving all generations. Encourage interactive storytelling, where everyone can add to the tale. This not only entertains, but also preserves family heritage, making it a meaningful way to celebrate together. A virtual time capsule is a unique way to commemorate a special occasion. Collect digital memories like photos and videos, and write letters to be read in the future. Plan a date for opening the time capsule, giving everyone something to look forward to. It's a wonderful way to capture the moment and create lasting memories. Engaging in charity work together can be a fulfilling way to celebrate. Choose a family charity project and organize virtual fundraising events, or volunteer your time and skills online. Sharing these experiences and the positive impact you make can bring the family closer, giving your celebration a deeper, more meaningful purpose. Art and craft sessions can be a delightful way to celebrate. Host online crafting workshops where everyone can create art pieces together. Share your finished projects online and admire each other's creativity. These sessions encourage fun and creativity, bringing the family together in a colorful and engaging way. Taking a moment to reflect and express gratitude can enrich your celebration. Think back to past joyful occasions and express your appreciation to loved ones. Sharing positive messages online encourages an attitude of gratitude, fostering a warm, loving atmosphere that transcends distance and brings everyone closer together. While celebrating virtually, it's uplifting to plan for future gatherings. Discuss plans for future visits and create a family travel wish list. Staying hopeful and positive about future reunions keeps everyone's spirits high, providing something wonderful to look forward to when the time is right. Celebrating birthdays or holidays when family is far away requires a bit of creativity, but it's certainly possible. By embracing technology and thinking outside the box, we can foster love and joy in new and unexpected ways. These efforts keep family bonds strong and vibrant, proving that distance is no match for love and connection.
Thank you so very much for watching this video today. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends if you enjoyed.